Welcome to the Psychology and Physical Training channel. Hypnosis. The art of rapid hypnotic inductions. The word itself conjures images of swinging pocket watches and mysterious figures wielding incredible power. While the reality is more nuanced, the power of hypnosis is undeniable. It allows us to tap into the incredible potential of the human mind. One fascinating aspect of this field is the use of rapid hypnotic inductions. These techniques can guide someone into a hypnotic trance in a matter of seconds, not minutes or hours. Rapid inductions are not about trickery or dominance. They are elegant examples of how we can use focus and suggestion to bypass the conscious mind and access the vast resources of the subconscious. This essay will demystify rapid hypnotic inductions. We'll explore the techniques and the principles behind them. More importantly, we'll empower you to explore this fascinating field yourself. How rapid inductions work. Imagine this. You're walking down a busy street, lost in thought. Suddenly, someone bumps into you, jolting you back to the present moment. This, in essence, is what a rapid hypnotic induction does. It creates a break in your normal thought patterns. Three key elements are at play here: surprise, pattern interrupt, and powerful suggestion. The surprise element captures the subject's attention, creating a mental blank slate. The pattern interrupt disrupts their habitual thinking process, making them more receptive to suggestions. And within this window of heightened suggestibility, the hypnotist delivers a clear, authoritative suggestion that guides the subject into a trance state. This combination of factors allows the hypnotist to bypass the critical faculty of the conscious mind. This is the part of us that analyzes, questions, and resists new ideas. By circumventing this critical filter, rapid inductions provide direct access to the subconscious mind where deep-seated change can occur. Preparation is key. Before we delve into the techniques themselves, it's crucial to understand that successful rapid inductions rely heavily on preparation. This involves establishing trust, ensuring the subject's comfort, and approaching the induction with confidence. Begin by building rapport with your subject. Engage in conversation, actively listen to their responses, and create a safe and non-judgmental environment. Ensure they are physically comfortable, seated or lying down in a relaxed position. Your own demeanor is paramount. Project an aura of calm confidence, assuring the subject that they are in capable hands. Remember, hypnosis is a collaborative process. The subject's willingness and trust are essential for success. By taking the time to properly prepare, you set the stage for a smooth and effective induction. A step-by-step guide. While the specific techniques may vary, most rapid inductions follow a similar structure. This structure can be broken down into three key phases: setup, surprise action, and deepening. Setup. This phase involves establishing rapport, building trust, and preparing the subject for the induction. This may include explaining the process in simple terms, addressing any concerns, and ensuring their comfort. Surprise action. This is the heart of the rapid induction. It involves a sudden, unexpected action or statement designed to create a pattern interrupt. This could be a handshake that turns into a gentle pull, a sudden noise, or a direct command. Deepening. Once the subject's conscious mind is momentarily distracted, the hypnotist immediately follows up with deepening suggestions to guide them into a trance. These suggestions should be clear, authoritative, and designed to elicit relaxation, focus, and a deepening of the trance state. By understanding this basic structure, you can begin to see how rapid inductions are not random acts of trickery. They are carefully orchestrated sequences designed to utilize the natural tendencies of the human mind. Mastering the techniques handshake, arm pull, and eye fixation. Now that we've covered the underlying principles and structure of rapid inductions, let's explore some common techniques. Three classic examples are the handshake induction, the arm pull induction, and the eye fixation induction. The handshake induction, as the name suggests, begins with a seemingly ordinary handshake. However, the hypnotist uses this handshake to deliver a subtle, unexpected tug or pull. disrupting the subject's expectations. The arm pull induction involves a similar principle, using a gentle pull on the subject's arm to create a moment of disorientation. Finally, the eye fixation induction relies on captivating the subject's attention with a fixed point, such as the hypnotist's eyes or a swinging object. Each of these techniques leverages surprise and pattern interrupt to create a window of heightened suggestibility. The key lies in the hypnotist's ability to seamlessly transition from the surprise action to deepening suggestions, guiding the subject into a trance state. The handshake induction, a classic technique. The handshake induction is a favorite among hypnotists due to its simplicity and effectiveness. It exploits the familiarity of a handshake, turning this everyday gesture into a powerful tool for inducing trance. The process begins with a normal handshake. As the subject extends their hand, the hypnotist clasps it firmly, not aggressively, but with a sense of purpose. Just as the subject is about to return to a neutral stance, the hypnotist introduces the surprise element. This could be a gentle pull downwards, a slight twist of the wrist, or a sudden release of the grip. This unexpected movement disrupts the subject's automatic response, creating a momentary lapse in their conscious awareness. The hypnotist seizes this opportunity, immediately delivering a deepening suggestion such as sleep or let go. The combination of physical touch, surprise, and a well-timed suggestion can be incredibly effective in inducing a trance. To a dynamic approach. The arm pull. Induction is another dynamic technique that relies on physical touch and surprise. As the name implies, this induction involves a gentle pull on the subject's arm. This pull, however, is not meant to be aggressive or forceful. It's about creating a sudden, unexpected shift in the subject's physical and mental state. The hypnotist begins by asking the subject to extend their arm forward, palm facing up. Maintaining eye contact and building rapport, the hypnotist gently pulls the subject's arm towards them. This pull should be timed to coincide with a verbal suggestion, such as deep sleep or let go and relax. The combination of the physical pull and the authoritative suggestion can quickly disengage the subject's conscious processing. This creates an opening for the hypnotist to deepen the trance state with further suggestions. Focusing the mind. Unlike the previous two techniques, the eye fixation induction relies less on physical touch and more on captivating the subject's attention. This technique exploits the natural human tendency to fixate on moving objects or points of interest. The hypnotist might ask the subject to focus on a specific object, such as a swinging pocket watch, a spot on the wall, or even the hypnotist's eyes. As the subject concentrates on this fixed point, their focus narrows, and their external awareness begins to fade. As the subject's eyes grow tired and heavy, the hypnotist delivers suggestions of relaxation, drowsiness, and deepening trance. The fixed point acts as an anchor, drawing the subject's attention inward and facilitating a shift in consciousness. Responsible hypnosis. While rapid hypnotic inductions can be powerful tools, it's crucial to approach them with a strong sense of ethics and responsibility. Always prioritize the safety and well-being of your subject above all else. Always obtain informed consent before attempting any hypnotic inductions. Explain the process clearly, addressing any questions or concerns the subject may have. Be mindful of the subject's physical and emotional state, and never attempt to induce trance in someone who is unwell or under the influence of substances. Remember, hypnosis is a collaborative process built on trust and respect. Never use these techniques to manipulate, coerce, or harm others. Instead, approach hypnosis as a powerful tool for personal growth, self-discovery, and positive change. Honing your skills. Mastering rapid hypnotic inductions, like any skill, requires practice and dedication. It's not simply about memorizing steps, but developing a sensitivity to the nuances of human behavior and responsiveness. Start by practicing on yourself. Familiarize yourself with the sensations of entering and exiting a trance state. Experiment with different techniques and observe how your body and mind respond. As you gain confidence, seek out willing volunteers to practice on. Pay close attention to their reactions, adjust your approach based on their responses, and always prioritize their comfort and well-being. Remember, there is no one-size-fits-all approach to hypnosis. Each individual is unique, and what works for one person may not work for another. Be adaptable, experiment, and above all, approach this fascinating field with curiosity, respect, and a commitment to ethical practice. And if you like this video, do not forget to subscribe and follow the Psychology and Physical Training channel for more videos. Thanks for joining me today.